1986. I woke up, I lost the will. I was done. I tried every symptom pleasure this world had. I've been street clothes. Picking up hookahs for a $20 bill.
Yeah.
$100 a gram for cocaine. I was out there, I tried everything. At the end of the day, I'm broke, disgusted, empty. Nothing in this world can satisfy me. It's temporary. I know, I done tried it. I woke up that day, I was like, I can't do this no more. There's nothing here. I didn't try it. Everything this world could give you. I woke up that day, lost the will. Thank God I never had a pistol. I wouldn't be standing here. This is crazy, I know. I'm taking a shower. I'm telling him my story. I had nothing to live for anyway. I remember my best friend told me about it. I said, okay. I got down on my knees in the shower. When I was kneeling down, I surrendered my will completely to God. I didn't know all that anyway. I didn't even know there was, they tell you there's a God. All I said was, God help me. I'm not good. I stood up. A tremendous outpouring of the Holy Spirit went through my body. I'm Catholic. They don't even tell you gotta be saved. All of New Orleans is Catholic. You're Catholic, you're going to heaven. Even if you live like the devil. As long as you go to the church, everything's good. The Spirit of God's going through me. I'm not playing. I was totally infested with demons and spirits. I seen liberty, spider monkey looking creatures all in me, hanging on me like a blanket. The Spirit of God's going through me. All these demons are around me. I'm freaking out. I don't know what's going on. After I calm down, I go to the shower. Now this is where I lose a lot of people. This is what happened to me. I stand before God and tell you this. When I opened the shower, Jesus Christ, the Son of the living God, come down in the bathroom, stood right in front of me. My mind is blown now. What is going on here? He looks at me and says, I love you. Let me show you the mercy of God. That was Sunday night, Saturday, Friday night, I'm in the street. I deserve to be in hell for the things I've done. I know it. The love of God is incredible. You cannot comprehend it. Now, it says it in 1 John, God is love. How big God is. That's how big that love is. I got a glimpse of it. You can't take all this in you. It's new. Only I can tell you, I deserve to be in hell. What do you mean you love me? I felt like I was going to him. I just said this. You don't deserve this. He is good and loving. I said, I actually said this, Lord. You need to put me in hell the way I'm going. This ain't right. He looks at me in the eye and he smiles. That smile was worth a million words. And then after he smiled, he went back. Oh my God, what happened to me? I didn't know I was born again. I didn't even say the sinner's prayer like they tell me. I didn't go through all the steps. I didn't answer the altar call, dot every I, cross every T that they tell me. So I worked at a mechanic shop in New Orleans. The mechanics that worked there, I was young. I just got out of high school. I'm 19. Well, actually, I was 19. By the time this happened, I was 23. That mechanics got me hooked on cocaine. My boss, who was married, showed me how to get out of